Hitting the town, exploring English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today we're going to dive into the world of English idioms, and our guest of the hour is the phrase, hit the town. Idioms can really spice up your language skills, and this one is all about having a good time. When someone says they're going to hit the town, they're not talking about any physical action. It's an idiom that means they're going out to enjoy the entertainment and social activities that a town or city has to offer. It's all about leisure and fun. The phrase is believed to have originated in the early 20th century. Hit, in this context, suggests arriving or coming into the town, and town represents the bustling urban life full of potential activities. It's like saying you're making an impact on the social scene. You can use hit the town when you're talking about going out for a night of entertainment, like dining, dancing, or catching a movie. For example, are you ready to hit the town and see what the nightlife is like here? After a week of hard work, I just want to hit the town with friends. There are a few variations of this phrase that carry the same or similar meanings, such as, paint the town red. This version also suggests going out, but with an added connotation of exuberance and perhaps causing a stir with one's high spirits. That's all for hit the town. Remember, idioms can add color to your language and help you sound more like a native speaker. Have fun using them, and maybe this weekend, you can hit the town yourself. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful.